All right, Jasmine. Why did you start seeking care here?
I was 16 weeks pregnant when I was in an auto collision.
Okay. And what made you choose this office?
I was referred by my doctor, my OB/GYN office.
Okay. And how was your experience there?
It was good. You guys were really flexible and helpful and always explained things when I had questions, and it was really easy to care with you.
So what treatments did you have here?
I had the chiropractic care, then I also had the massage therapy, and I also had the acupuncture.
And overall, what would you say was your favorite part about being treated here?
I think they all helped in different times of my, recovery. So I think that I enjoyed it all.
Would you recommend the office to others?
Yes, and I already have.
Awesome. Thank you.